Welcome to SEO Oven. In this video, we're going to show you how to rank on Google using free SEO tools, step by step. Let's dive right in. The great news is, you don't need to spend a fortune to improve your SEO. These free tools can help you get found on Google, boost rankings, and increase organic traffic. Step 1. Set up Google Search Console. This tool helps monitor your site's performance and identify issues. Step 2. Conduct keyword research. Discover keyword volume and difficult-to-target keyword combinations. Step 3. Optimize content using the tools now available at the SEO Oven. Generate questions and keyword variations to enhance your content strategy. Step 4. Monitor performance with Google Analytics. Keep track of key metrics like page views, bounce rates, and traffic trends. Now, all you need to do is apply these free tools to your website and watch your SEO improve over time. The key is to focus on the right keywords and keep tracking your performance. SEO is a long-term game. Avoid quick fixes like keyword stuffing, and remember, site speed and mobile optimization matter more than ever in 2025. Now you have the tools to rank on Google. Start using these free SEO tools at the SEO Oven today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful SEO tips.